Naka-record din?
Well, so, we are the group 11, CE and Sword. I am Padilla.
And I am Ricardo Pataw-Taw.
Roden Dave Edo.
Yeah. So, we're gonna talk about Safe Software 2016. So, in here, we're gonna talk about Safe, developer and pricing, software interface and features, advantages and disadvantages compared to STAAD, interoperability of the structure, references, and discussion, conclusion, and remarks. So, SAFE. So, SAFE system provides an efficient and powerful program for the analysis and design of concrete slabs and foundation, with or without post-tensioning. So, in SAFE, mas ideal siya or focus siya sa pagmamodel ng foundation, base mats, and footings. So dito, yung base mats natin or base mat foundation models, pwede nating include yung pedestals, walls, columns, beams, and piles na pwede mong i-add sa foundation area. So pag dito sa safe na to, yung area na naka-assign sa soil o yung sinusuport ng soil na building is naka-base siya sa subgrade modulus. So ito, kung may pagbabago man o yung tinatawag na mesh changes, automatically siya na mag-a-adjust. So yun yung maganda sa safe kasi parang mas focus siya sa foundation. Kung kumpara natin sa ibang software, mas maganda to pag nagde-design tayo ng foundation. Kasi detailed yung mga makikita mo dito tsaka mas madaling gamitin compare sa ibang software. So next, developer and pricing.
Developer and pricing. It was founded in 1975. Computers and Structures Incorporated, or known as the CSI, is recognized globally as the pioneering leader in software tools for structural and earthquake engineering. Software from CSI is used by thousands of engineering firms in over 160 countries for the design of major projects, including the Taipei 101 Tower in Taiwan, One World Trade Center in New York, the 2008 Olympics Bird's Nest Stadium in Beijing, and the cable-stayed Centenary Bridge over the Panama Canal. CSI produces 5 primary software packages. This includes SAP 2000, CSI Bridge, ETABS, SAFE, and Perform 3D. The package pricing for standalone license or the individual user. For the standard price, it is worth $4,000, and for the post-tensioning is $6,000. For the network or cloud license, or for 2 or more users, the standard price is $5,200, and for the post-tensioning is $7,800. Software interface and features. First one is design strips. Design strips are used to define how reinforcement requirements are to be calculated. SAFE can automatically define the strips for you, or you can define them yourself. Design strips will determine the number of bars we need in a particular area. This is also essential not only for getting the number of reinforcing bars, but also in getting the output results of the stresses like the shear and moment, and the diagrams of the particular member.
So, ayun sir, makikita natin dito sa image na to. Itong mga to na nag-indicate siya ng moment diagram, positive and negative moment diagram. So ito yun. Dito na rin yung mga values niya. So ito kung mapapansin niyo tong mga to, ito po yung footing, yung mga yan, or yung supports. So yun. Next tayo.
Next. Second is the post-tensioning. SAFE includes the ability to define post-tensioning in slabs as banded or distributed tendons. An interactive tendon editor simplifies the task of laying out the tendon profiles. Tendon layouts can also be automated based on state position and direction.
So dito
Post-tensioning, a procedure in which the steel tendons are tensioned after the concrete has been cast. Tendon object consists of a number of high-strength steel wires or strands enveloped by a duct, placed anywhere in the slab or beam. Post-tensioning loads the forces that the tendons exerts on the structure.
So, dito naman sa post-tensioning, makikita natin ito ay isang beam. So, beam with the support, fixed supports along with its distance or the measurements. So, dito makikita natin tong red na to, tong dalawang to, yan yung tinatawag nating tendon. So, may iba't ibang uri ng tendon. Meron din yung tendon na nakalabas yan. Pero mas maganda daw sa post-tensioning yung nasa loob yung tendon para mas matibay yung beam natin as time goes by. So for long term yung post-tensioning. So next.
Third one feature is the design code. A code is a group of character or digit that identify and describe an item. SAFE offers a wide range of code-based design features for steel frame, concrete frame, cold form steel, and aluminum frame. The purpose of design code is to make the task easy for identification and retrieval of items of information when there are several items in the group. Codes are necessary because data is easily identified, data is simplified and standardized, hence the number of mistakes is reduced to the extent possible. Data processing operations can be done easily. Also, it helps to make the computer system work more efficiently.
So dito naman sa design code, yung design codes dito, pag pupunta kayo dun sa sa SAFE mismo, software hindi nyo agad-agad makikita yung aluminum, mga codes ng aluminum, timber, pero nandun sila dun sa design code. Tapos dito makikita natin yung mga red na yan, nag-indicate siya ng moment, change of moment sa building or sa floor or sa floor level na yan. So next.
Another feature is the deformed geometry. Deformed geometry can be shown after running the analysis. Values are displayed instantaneously when hovering over the model. The deformed geometry can be displayed as field or line contour plots.
So yan, makikita natin dito sa video na to. Gumagalaw dito yung deformed geometry. So sa ibang software, hindi yung kailangan nyo ng mataas na computer para makita kung saan yung deformation, tsaka yan nga yung deformed geometry. Maganda yung pag-execute sa software kasi hindi niya kailangan ng mataas na computer para ma-run mo tong mga ganito. So, next. Advantages and disadvantages of the software.
So sa advantages naman, maraming advantages ang wala sa STAAD. Dito sa number 1, dimension line can be drawn on the SAFE model in both architectural and decimal units. Pakita mo nga, Mr. Padilla.
Wait lang. So, yan. Mag-new model tayo. Ayan. Blank. Punta tayo sa draw. Tapos, draw beamline. Ayan, may angle siya. Ayan. With, ano pa yan? Distance. Tapos, punta tayo sa draw. Draw dimension lines. Click natin to. So, yan.
Yun, makikita ang dimension lines nila. SAFE is a best software for a foundation analysis and design. Naipakita na kanina yan. Diagram are more colorful and detailed, and animations of the software are showing its deformations.
So,
Pakita mo ulit, Mr. Padilla.
So, dito nga sir, makikita natin yung color. Pag i-compare kasi natin sa pag i-compare natin siya sa STAAD kasi hindi niya makikita yung value, naka-table form yung value ng sa STAAD. Pero dito, kada point nyo kung saan banda, makikita nyo agad yung value. Medyo blurry, hindi kasi ma-open sa safe. Pero dito, kada point out nyo dito, makikita nyo lahat ng value. Dun sa STAAD, makikita nyo yung kulay. Tapos yung dito, yung value, parang nakakalito kasi kailangan nyo pang i-match yung kulay dun sa table para makita nyo yung value. So yun yung pinagkaiba nila. Mas maganda yung ng safe kaysa sa STAAD sa part na to. So yun. Yun yung advantage niya.
Sa fourth advantage, SAFE is based on the latest programming technology that creates an exact 3D model of required structure as STAAD does. So, mas maganda yung 3D ng SAFE. Detailed siya sa pinakita kanina. Sa disadvantage naman, the method of analysis is slower and consume more disk space sometimes. So yung SAFE, lagi siyang medyo siyang naghahang. Tapos yung disk of space sometimes more disk ang kailangan niya para ma-save siya. So sa third disadvantage naman ay sa second. Selection of particular member is very complicated in SAFE. It's very easy in STAAD software. So yun sa STAAD, mas easy siya sa selection of particular member kaysa sa SAFE. Third disadvantage, a need for CPU and GPU RAM and SSD upgrade for your computer does not meet the minimum requirements. So na-encounter din namin to sa pag-install. Talagang nagkaroon kami ng problema dito. So, next. Sa interoperability of structure, yung SAFE can import loads, geometry, section, properties, and wall deformations from ETABS and SAP 200. Can import structure, geometry, output plots, and automatic field modeling from AutoCAD. DXF or DWG file format, and can interoperate with Microsoft Access and Microsoft Excel. Pag ito mga Mr. Padilla yung kung paano siya ma-import tsaka ma-export.
Sige. Makita natin. So, ito yung software na yun. So, hindi siya trial. Binili natin siya para mas magandang lecture. So, ito. So, sa file, pwede ka mag-import. Yan, itong mga to. As mentioned a while ago. Kasama rin yung Revit. Tsaka Excel. Yung maganda dito, Pati sa STAAD, pwede rin yung AutoCAD. Pwede din dito. So, mas mapapadali. Madalas kasi, di ba, pinakaunang gagawin natin, mag-edit muna tayo or mag-design tayo sa STAAD bago sa mga ibang software. So, maganda rin siya. Friendly software din.
Sa AutoCAD yun, Mr. Padilla.
Oo, AutoCAD. So, yun. So, yan. Next. So, ayan. Sa reference naman tayo. So, madali ba siyang matutunan or masundan? So, para sa aming tatlo na trinay itong safe, yung reference namin is yung YouTube. YouTube. Bali may dalawang YouTuber or yung dalawang YouTube account yung nakunan namin ng reference. So, ito yan. Yung una is yung School of Civil Engineering. So dito, School of Civil Engineering. So dito nagsimula siya sa pinakaumpisa at intro. So dito namin binasa yung mga inalam namin hanggang sa slab footing, mat, beam, pati yung soil subgrades properties, column properties nandito. More on more on medyo advanced na yung mga tinuro niya dito. Design isolated or single, siya, per part siya, kaya parang hindi ka maboboring kasi hindi masyadong matagal yung isang video. Hindi umabot na 1 oras. So, per part. So, tapos yung isa namang reference namin is yung CSI mismo, yung Computer and Structures Incorporated. So, dito, yung ginagamit niya kasing safe dito is yung safe 2012. So, parang trinay din namin, madali siya kasi mas simplified. Meron yung for slabs, tinuro din dito. Drawing and drafting. So, ayan, parang AutoCAD lang din. So, pag kukumpara namin yung dalawang reference, yung itong na to, lahat kasi tinuturo niya ETABS, SAFE, tsaka SAP. Yung dito sa SAFE na to, tinuturo niya yung mga basic, tsaka yung pinaka-foundation ng knowledge mo sa SAFE. So, ito namang isa na School of Civil Engineering, itong mga to, more on, na siya. Complicated, mahirap na gawin, tsaka it takes time para malaman mo. So, next, tinuro niya din dito yung pag-import galing sa CAD. So, tulad ng sinabi kanina, yung advantages, kunyari gumawa ka ng floor plan, import mo lang siya dito, makikita mo na yung mga grid lines, yun na yung magiging basis mo para gumawa na ulit ng panibagong design dito sa SAFE. So, yan. Dito, ito yung isa rin maganda sa SAFE. Nagfo-focus din siya sa tendons. Kasi di ba madalas lahat na ng building is post-tensioned na yung mga beams nila. So, dito, mas matututunan mo kung paano mag-design ng tamang tendons, kung anong kind ng tendon yung kailangan mong gamitin sa building na yun. So, yun yung references na ginamit namin. Marami pa kayong pwede, may mga books ka, so wala kaming access doon. So, sa YouTube lang kami pumunta. So, next. So, discussion, conclusion, and remarks. So, kaming tatlo, as we go on sa paggamit ng SAFE, kahit sa maliit lang na oras na yun, natutunan namin na yung SAFE is focus siya sa post-tensioning tsaka foundation. So, it provides a unique capability that can be unmatched advantages to the engineer or designer. So, mas mapapadali yung paggawa mo ng foundation. Tsaka users can grab their data from CAD, yun tulad ng kanina, spreadsheets, database, and dito mas napapadali yung gawain natin. So, yan. Madami yung mga kumpanya na gumagamit nito. Madalas, hindi yung mga big companies. Kasi mas ginagamit nila yung STAAD, ETABS, yung mga yun. Kumbaga, ito parang more on small firms yung gumagamit nito ngayon sa panahon ngayon. Lalo na ngayon, ang dami ng bagong software kumpara mo sa mga to na matagal nang nagawa. 2016 pa. So, next. So, conclusion. Mr. Patataw.
Sa conclusion, the use of computer-aided tool structure analysis and design has been proven to be effective from the results output. It was observed that the time for performing the design work is significantly reduced. However, the software programs can be easily misused without observing proper precautions in the analysis and design procedures, which can lead to structural failures, costly disputes, and poor performing structures. Thus, this explains the importance of comparison between different software. So, sa conclusion, ito ay nakatulong sa mga katulad namin na civil engineers. Pero marami din itong mga precautions. Maraming precautions katulad ng mga analysis, design procedures na nagli-lead ito ng structural failures. Na ito ay isang pinaka-importante na trabaho ng engineers na tignan ang mga failure ng projects. So, yun lang.
So, yun. So, remarks tayo. Mr. Edo.
CSI SAFE is not for all starting engineers because some are not privileged to have computers and internet connections. Some engineers have lack of knowledge about technology. So hindi lahat ng nagsisimulang engineer ay biniyaan, kaya hindi sila nakaka-cope up sa mga gantong technology. Yung iba naman, yung knowledge nila about technology kulang o wala, kaya hindi nila alam kung paano gawin o gamitin.
Oo. So, yun sir. Thank you sir. So, yun yung safe software. Yun yung research namin sa safe software 2016. So, we are
Sige,
group
sir.
11. Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
Thank you.
Give it.